Here I have Crosscall M5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. Okay, so for some reason, here it is. So here you can just switch it. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can select these default optimizations. You can disable NFC, you can disable wake up or disable screen wake up by uprightment. You can set up a schedule based on your percentage, and you can set it to turn off automatically when device charges above 19%. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.